Are you preparing for the Life in the UK test and you're wondering what to expect? In this video, I'm going to be answering some of your burning questions. After watching this video, you will be able to pass your test with confidence. The Life in the UK test basically talks about the British cultures, the tradition and history. And then this question has 24 questions and you need to pass 18, out of which you would then be able to have a pass mark in the exam. The first thing that a lot of people ask me is, how difficult is this exam? I want to tell you that this exam is not set for you to fail. It is an exam that if you follow the right path, you would be able to pass it very, very easily. If you haven't watched my video, by the way, kindly go and watch this video where I dissected the basic questions and the things that you need to go through to be able to pass your Life in the UK test. Now, who exactly is this exam for? If you're looking to having your settlement in the UK, or you're looking to applying for your British citizenship, then this exam is for you. The Life in the UK test needs to be taken by both the main applicant and the dependents. This exam is not set for you to fail, like I said earlier on. Now, if you are between the ages of 18 to 65, then you have to take this exam. If you are below 18, you don't need to take the exam. If you are above 65, you don't need to take the exam. If you have a long-time physical or mental condition as well, you don't need to take the exam. And then this exam costs you £50. You have to book at least 3 days in advance for the exam. There are over 30 centers in the United Kingdom for you to be able to write this exam. It's in a CBT format. If you have done the theory, the theory driving test is in that kind of format. You sit in the computer and that's the way the exam looks like. For you to be able to book your test, you need a valid passport or a valid travel document. Mind you, you cannot use an emergency travel document. You also could use your biometric residence permit or your biometric residence card. Now, you could be wondering to say, oh, my biometric residence card just expired on the 31st of December 2024 because all BRPs are no longer in use and all of that. Oh, can I still use it? Yes, you can still use it as long as you still have the permission to be in the United Kingdom. All you just need to do is to make sure that you come with it, you go with it to the exam when you're going for the exam. Another thing to note is that whatever name you use whilst booking your test must be the same as the name on your identity document. Otherwise, you have a lot of problems or you might not even be allowed to sit for the exam. One interesting thing to note is that this exam does not expire, so you can decide to write this exam at any time before you are eligible for your indefinite leave to remain or your citizenship application. You can write the exam and just keep it. So after writing the exam, you'll be sent an email and there will be a code in it. Just ensure that you keep that code very well because it will be required of you when you need to apply for your indefinite leave to remain or your citizenship application. Now, you might be wondering, after using it for my indefinite leave to remain, do I still need to do another exam for the citizenship application? No. The answer is no. You do not need. Just one exam is okay, and that's what you need to use for your indefinite leave to remain or your citizenship application. Some people are also wondering, what do I do if I fail this exam? Nothing to worry about. You can do this exam over and over again. There's no amount of time, there's no X amount of time that you need to do it or not to do it or whatsoever. Do you get what I mean? So you can keep doing the exam over and over again. But if you watch this video that I did earlier on and you follow the steps in it, trust me, you wouldn't fail the exam. It will be one attempt. And if you have been doing the exam and you have failed, go and watch this video and you will thank me later. Remember to put in the comment section if you have done the exam and you have passed the exam. Kindly let me know. Now, you've been watching up to this time and you've been getting value in this video. Kindly hit the like button so that YouTube can suggest this video to more people who can benefit from this video. Let's go through a step-by-step demo on how to apply for your Life in the UK test. Type in Life in the UK test into your browser and then make sure that you scroll down and go to where the government website is. Click on that and it takes you straight into their page. Scroll down, read the instruction and scroll down to where it says start now. The next page would be
for you to register, to start your booking, and then register or login. So if you are starting for the first time, then you have to register. Otherwise, if you have registered before, you just log in. So put in your details and click on continue. So at this stage, get your identification documents ready. I used my biometric residence permit. Even if it has expired in 2024, you can still use it for this exam as long as you still have the permission to be in the UK. Put all your ID documents in an ID number in there, and then put your date and the date of expiry of the card, of the identity documents, and scroll down. Put your name, your first name, your last name, your middle name. Once you're done with that, put your date of birth. Check that you put all the details correctly. After that, put your date of birth, repeat your date of birth, and it will take you to the next page. Put your current nationality, your country of birth, your place of birth. Put in all of those details correctly. Ensure that you fill this part very, very well. Do not make any mistakes, because every document, every information you put in here must tally with the documents that you're using. So click on your reason for taking the test. I chose settlement, which is the ILR. I am not a member of British Forces, and then you register. Put your house details, telephone number, continue. So ensure that all the details you are putting is all correct, and then you move to the next stage. Confirm, and click on register. So once you click on register, it asks you to confirm your email address. Go back to your email and click on the email you've gotten. Click here. Then it takes you back into the page, and then you confirm your account. Now we are going to log in because we've registered. Put your email and the password in as you have done earlier on, and it will take you to where you have to book the test. So it asks for the one-time passcode sent to your email or text message. Put in the code, confirm, and then that's it. Welcome. Then you put in, or it will show you all the details that you had filled. It will remind you that you can still use your expired BRP as long as you have a stay. Click on make a booking. Select as applies to you here. Choose a center. So I chose the city closest to me because there was no center in my city, and then click on the search button. Choose a center. Oh, sorry, that's the same thing. Yeah, so then choose a center here. So this is the list of centers in the city which I chose, and I'll just check for I'll click on view availability just to see what the availability is. So these are the dates. The green ones are available, and I chose this one. Did you see that it was £65? So I later changed my mind to go for the £50 one. So if you choose a date that is very close by, let's say tomorrow or next, it will give you, it will be more expensive. It will be like £65. Otherwise, if you choose a further date, probably next week, you will get it at £50. So I just wanted to show you what this looked like, because I was not going with this particular availability. So I chose a further date. So you can see this is £50. And then it says confirm your test. Just read all the details. Read. confirm and pay. So that's it really. At this point, it's just straightforward. Put your name, your email address, and at the bottom of it you would see the pay now button, and that's pretty much how to book your life in the UK test in a very easy way. Good luck with your test. Pay now.
Finally, you booked the exam, you know what to do, you've prepared for it, and you're ready. You are wondering what exactly is going to be happening on that day. What is the exam day going to look like? I did a video earlier on. Kindly go and watch this video where I spoke about what you would be, what you would expect on the exam day.